In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for team management. Whether you're a small team or a big organization, Asana can help streamline your workflow and improve productivity. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website. You can do this by typing Asana into your preferred search engine and clicking on the official link. Once you are on the Asana homepage, you'll notice there's an option to either sign up or log in. Since we're diving straight into team management, let's focus on logging in. Enter your email address into the designated field. This should be the same email you used when you initially set up your Asana account. Once you've input your email, you'll want to click on the Continue button. This step confirms your email and takes you to the next stage where you'll be asked for your password. Enter your password carefully to ensure you don't get locked out of your account, and when you're ready, click Login. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Asana homepage. This area will serve as the central hub for all your team management tasks. Here, you can start by creating a team. Creating a team is crucial as it helps organize the work within your group and makes delegation more efficient. As you set up your team, be sure to invite all necessary members to the workspace. During this process, you'll have the option to assign different access permissions depending on their roles. This ensures that everyone has suitable visibility and control based on their responsibilities. It's also important to define some basic guidelines within your Asana workspace. Consider setting project naming conventions, decide on task organization methods, and establish clear communication protocols. Consistency is key here. These guidelines will help maintain order and make it easier for everyone on your team to follow processes without confusion. With your team set up and guidelines in place, the next step is organizing your work into projects. Projects can be further subdivided into subtasks or sections, tailoring your approach to the specific needs of your tasks. For effective task management, it helps to assign tasks to specific team members. By doing so, you'll ensure accountability and clarity across your projects. Additionally, assigning deadlines to tasks is essential. This keeps your projects on schedule and helps prevent any last-minute rushes. To maintain focus on priorities, use labels, tags, or even custom fields within Asana. These tools allow you to identify and prioritize the most critical tasks, ensuring they get completed first. Finally, a key component of successful team management is regular updates and feedback. Make it a habit to frequently update task statuses and provide feedback to your team. This helps ensure progress is being made and enables quick adjustments if required. With these steps, you're well on your way to efficient team management in Asana. Happy organizing!